What's up, guys? It's Animal Company. This game is Animal Company. It's for free on Meta. There is so much maps you can explore. But let's let's explore actually. Explore. Honestly, y'all, I don't know what I was saying in like this part. Is caves. First, let me get my equipment. Oh shit. Oh my god. It's only one thing that confuses me, and why they changed the map. It really confuses me because why do they change the map all the time? Alright guys, this is red light, green light. We're gonna see if you come down to mines. Uh-oh. Okay. Oh god. Let's go to another map. Um, Second, we have...
Hello. I don't think
What
that
is
guy has a
that?
mic.
No, wait, you got the camera. That's actually cool.
I don't think he has a mic, that guy.
Because I upload stuff.
How can you get it?
This is... Okay, no. I got this wrong. This is... No, mine's wrong. This is actually the actual mines. And that one was caves. And then we just mine. And then you can get nuts. Like that you can spend your stuff on to get stuff. And then next, guys, we have Creative Studios. First, we got green screen. All the stuff here. You can also buy your stuff in here. All that, yep. And then, let's get to the new one. I'd say, city. Like a giant. Alright, well, I want to talk about this. I don't know what this is, but I never went here. This. Alright, next we have class in next room. Next, we have Lake.
How do I actually like? I'll actually will crash out on this public set. Okay, yeah, I give up on last minute.
This is Ocean. Go water. Alright, people. I'm gonna end it here. Because my battery's about to die.